Hi writers, and welcome to this video on week number 4. If you haven't started the work for week 4, this is what is in store for you. We have 3 discussions this week. One of them is in response to one of Natalie Goldberg's stories from Wild Mind titled Accept Ourselves. Another one is one of her stories titled Be an Animal. And the last one is a reflection on rhetoric and the rhetorical triangle and framework. Let's check them out. For our first discussion, we are engaging in the Sweetheart. For directions or overview or to listen to a reading of the essay titled Accept Ourselves by Natalie Goldberg, you can click here. Get cozy in your favorite spot and listen to this chapter. The purpose of this discussion is to create for yourself a sweetheart, a voice of loving kindness to support you throughout your semester, your day, your week, your month, your life. That is our first discussion. We have some conversation on there already for you to check out. The second discussion is Be an Animal by Goldberg as well from her book Writing Down the Bones. It's a story about tapping into that animal. A really beautiful quote from the story is, when you are not writing, you are a writer too. It doesn't leave you. Walk with an animal walk and take in everything around you as prey. As a little taste of her story, you will engage in this story by reading it and annotating it, listening to it if you want. I did a reading of it on YouTube. And then you'll share a golden line from the story with us and share why you picked it. Your last discussion is a discussion on the rhetorical triangle and framework. There's directions here or an explanation of the rhetorical framework. As we go deeper into understanding what rhetoric is, you'll pick one of the stories by Goldberg and you will apply the rhetorical framework to one of her stories here. And that's what's in store for this week. We're also going to be beginning essay number 1. You have lots of options for essay number 1. I posted a video today that goes over those options. Please check it out and make sure that you are excited to do your writing assignment, your writing essay. Think about what it is you want to share, what it is you want to create with your words. Your words are powerful and amazing. Remember that you are a storyteller as well. That is what you're tapping into for essay number 1. Have a wonderful week 4. I will see you on Zoom.